Take me home, Daddy. Take me home.
Oh,
Jesus!
I know that Alex is just ready to kill me. I am scared out of my mind. My heart is beating so fast.
oh God! Oh, my intestine. My butt was I was just eating my own butt.
Kill Justin Bieber! Yay! And I was like, babe. Oh, did I not even make it up the hill?
Gosh darn it! Gosh.
Nah.
Dang it! Why is it so hard? Ah, gosh. Is this supposed to be hard? I'm guessing not. Oh. That's a beautiful view of the building right there. Look at that. I wonder who works in that office right there. Alright, JB, I'm gonna kill you without killing me or my son.
But Dad, I like being killed.
No, you don't, son. It's become a habit. And once you get into a habit, it's hard to go back. Ah, dang it.
Stand up and take it.
Bieber.
And I was like, baby, but
Shut up! That was Smosh. Gosh, just kill him. Justin, Bieber, kill Justin. God, oh, dang it. Sorry, son.
yay, Daddy, I'm done.
Son, that is not good at all. Bye-bye.